Okay, so you are required by the city to remove a, according to them, dying tree. It doesn't look like it's dying to me, but I guess whatever they say has to be, followed. So, as a good citizen, I'm gonna go ahead and follow it, of course, as always, right? So, you wonder what you do next. So, as long as you got your repair, final tree repair notice, and the instructions on what to do. So, the first thing I did was put clear, put something here so that nobody parks, because we're gonna need this space for these to fall on, right? And then I posted my removal requests. I posted them on this side of the tree so that they can see, and also my repair notice. And I put a caution tape. So for now I'm using cars that I have access to, so that when I'm ready to work on this and cut it down, I'll just remove it, right? So that's how you prepare a tree to be cut down. So tomorrow is when I'm looking to do it, so I put this now. So yeah, so that's what you need to do, so that when you're ready, nobody's parked under your tree that needs to be worked on. All right, that's it, folks. Okay, so make sure you staple your permits so that it doesn't fly off and your neighbors can see it. Okay, I have a hammer here. I'm gonna go ahead and hammer it with this. You don't need a big one, but hang on, let me pause. I need my hands. Okay, so put your final touches, and that should tell your neighbors you're ready to work on it as soon as you can. In this case, tomorrow. Ciao.